Hello, my name is Eddie Tofpik. I'm Head of Technical Analysis and Senior Markets Analyst at ADM Investor Services International Limited. Here is your daily technical analysis of LME 3-month copper and aluminium. I'll start with LME 3-month copper. An immediate countering, quite large, daily key reversal down yesterday. Coming as it did at the top of near the top of the recent rise, it is bound to be seen as significant. The move down started by opening just under the February 2011 high at 10,190. However, the most important impact has been the move down well below the interesting and important support levels formed from the July 2011 high at 99.07, the April 2011 high at 99.47, the March 2011 high at 99.95. Now these three had helped construct the congestion back in June and also late May and late April this year. So it's probably the most significant move and close below levels of them all. The question now is whether the market will try and recover today or continue the descent or just go sideways. So far today, a higher open, and with so much to choose, it was more or less a given that we might have a reactionary bullish Arami action, which is what it currently looks like. However, despite penetrating the overhead congestion between 99.07 to 99.95, the market has still backed off now, just underneath it, thus looking like it might be exerting its influence as resistance first. Below, we now have the limited support from the September high at 97.55, but the better support from the February high at 96.17 and some other nearby lesser Fibonacci levels down there. LME 3-month aluminium. An immediate countering combined key reversal down and bearish long black Marobozo yesterday. To be honest, that sentence doesn't really do justice to the action from yesterday. It was a big move lower, through lots of supports levels. Here is just a selection. The lower tone of the recently drawn mid-August to early October bullish Andrews pitchfork, currently 30.86. This pitchfork will be retired after this commentary. Additionally, back below the old upper tine, currently 30.47 of the very shallowly bullish 2011-2015 shift pitchfork, down through the March to June 2008 congestion from between roughly 29.06 and 29.74, and into the congestion from September and early October between roughly 28.28 and 29.45. Well, as you can see, there's a lot. In the end, prices finished the day just under the 29.06 congestion. What this big move has managed, which it hasn't done in copper, at least not yet, is to set up the market for a possible weekly key reversal down. If we close tonight under 29.59, then we'll be on. Anything above that until 31.75 would be an outside week. Now we're right now barely just showing a weekly key reversal down. There were also some other additional factors to consider. For starters, it means that we can consider the upper target for the bull flag stroke halfway hesitation pattern formed over September to October has been reached, even if target X located at the next level of congestion beyond the high, which is at the high at 32.29, actually at 32.79, was not actually reached. Well, that just about covers what had happened. However, we should now, in true technical analysis style, look forward as to what is next, and it is here that I would want to leave some ideas with you that may or may not develop. Firstly, a bump and run reversal top. Secondly, an ascending triangle, ascending and inverted scallop pattern. And finally, this one is way out there, but perhaps, just perhaps, an inverted diving board type pattern. I will also consider these and develop whichever seems the most likely. So far today, a slightly higher opening with the 29.06-29.74 congestion band before a dip down into the more recent 28.28 to 29.45 congestion. However, prices found it hard going and halted just ahead of testing the extension of the old broken upper bull channel, and that's currently at 28.22. Also the rising short medium moving average, currently 28.24. Congestion where prices have reverted back upwards and into the same 29.06-29.74 congestion mentioned earlier, where they have slowed. It's all becoming very interesting. Thank you for listening. This short version broadcast gives essential market patterns and consequences. Please be aware of the risk disclaimer posted with this broadcast. Copyright Eddie Tofpik and ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here comes the final bit.